Now let's create something a bit complex like this lampshade over here. Just create a sketch on any of the vertical plane. Invoke the line command. Make one vertical line, then one horizontal, and one larger horizontal line over here. Invoke the fit point spline. Select this point. Select another point which is above the midpoint of the vertical line over here. Just a little bit above. And close the region. Press enter. Now use these control handles to give the shape of the lampshade. And finish the sketch. Now let's invoke the revolve command. Select this profile. Select this axis. And click OK. So the outline of this lampshade has been created. Now as you can see, we are having these empty spaces in the top and the bottom, and intricate pattern is created in between. And when we rotate the design, we can see the formation of the top portion like this. So to create this, we are going to use a new command that was not covered till now, that is split body. In order to use this one, we need to create an offset plane from this particular surface. Now invoke the split body command. The splitting tool would be the offset plane we have created, and notice we are initially having just one body, and when we use this tool we will have two bodies. The body to split would be obviously this one, and click on OK. Now you can see two bodies are created. Now let's do the same thing in the bottom as well. Again invoke the split body command. This is the body to be splitted, and it is excluding the top body because it's been removed from the main body. Splitting tool would be the new offset plane we have created, and click on OK. And now we have three bodies. Let's name them for the sake of better understanding. Let's say this is top, this one is center, this one is bottom. Let's hide the construction, and let's hide the center and the bottom one. Now here, in order to create this particular intricate detail, just make a hole over this one. Now let's switch on the center body and hide the top, and let's create a shell. So let's say 1 mm. We need the same thing in the top as well, so let's edit this feature. Let's control and select both. Now let's switch off this one and switch on the bottom. Here also let's create a shell, 1 mm only. both the sides. Now let's switch on all, and we have a basic model ready. Now the only thing that is remaining is this intricate pattern in between. So for that, what we will do, let's switch off the top and the bottom, switch on the origin, just zoom out to select this particular plane, and let's start sketching on this one. Now the first thing we require is the outline of this body. So what we will do, we will project it. So this will be projected to our sketch. Let's hide the body, and this is projected to the sketch corresponding to this particular plane. Now let's make a line, somewhat like this, one more line, and let's use parallel constraint to make them parallel to each other, and finish the sketch. Switch on the bodies, select this region, right click, press pull, and let the direction be symmetric. But we don't require this cutting operation. What we require for this particular design is intersect. Just press OK, and we just require these two bodies, or basically these intersections. So let's name it as original center part, and this one as new center part. This is just for convenience. We need to rename bodies, or even when we were dealing with assemblies, we need to rename the components, because this makes a bit easy to operate in order to create. Now select pattern, circular pattern, and select bodies. Let's select the new center part and select this axis. Let it be 20 only, quantity, and click on OK. Now as you can see, lots of bodies have been created. That's why we have renamed them, because right now we are going to create a circular pattern with the original center part over here. Again, go to create, go to pattern, circular pattern. The object is already selected, which was the original center part, and for the axis select this one. Let it be 20 only, and click on OK. Now here, switch on the top and the bottom as well, and let's hide the origin. And our lampshade is complete. Let's go to render. The top and the bottom portions are obviously having wooden like texture, and the center portion in which pattern is made, they look like fabric. So what we will do, we'll go to appearance, let's search for wood, let's provide mahogany over here in the bottom. Let's try something different, let it be pine, and in the center we need to provide fabric. So when we are providing it, you can see lots and lots of bodies are there. So if you are providing appearance single one of them one by one, it will be very time consuming. So what we will do, we will go to bodies, we'll select control and select all these, or better shift and select and control and release these two. Select this also, just shift and click. I think all of them are selected, and let's provide fabric white, and it will be applied to all the bodies in the center.